Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Trivedi. Currently I am pursuing MCA from IIP's DAVV Indore. Currently my topic of presentation is virtualization technology in cloud computing. As in-depth analysis of virtualization technology and their role in cloud computing with illustrated diagram is given in this PPT. So let's move to the introduction to virtualization technology. Understanding the role of virtualization in cloud computing have different roles like in multiple virtual machines, hardware abstraction, cloud computing foundation, resource utilization, and scalability and isolation. Virtualization technology allows multiple virtualization machines to run on a single physical machine, optimizing hardware usages. It abstracts hardware resources, allowing applications to operate independently of the underlying infrastructure. This technology is fundamental to cloud computing, serving as the backbone for various cloud services, enable efficient resources utilization by distributing workloads across very available virtual machines, reducing wastages. Moving to our next slide is of types of virtualization. Now we will discuss different types of virtualization. Our first virtualization type is hardware virtualization, which basically involves abstracts physical hardware to create virtual machines, enhancing resource utilization. Our second point is software virtualization. It abstracts software resources such as operating system, allowing for greater and flexibility and management. Third one is network virtualization, combines network resources into a single virtual network, improving efficiency and scalability. Our fourth point is storage virtualization, pulls physical storage from multiple devices into a single storage resources, simplifying data management. And our fifth one and the last is desktop virtualization, enable users to access a desktop environment remotely, enhancing accessibility and user. Moving to our next slide is how virtualization works. Understanding the role of hypervisors in virtualization. Hypervisor layer. Virtualization operates through a hypervisor that sits between hardware and virtual machines, facilitating resource management. Second one is resource management. The hypervisor dynamically allocates resources to virtual machines, ensuring both isolation and operational efficiency. Type 1 hypervisors are that run directly on hardware. Examples include VMware, providing high performance. Type 2 hypervisors operate on a host operating system such as Oracle VirtualBox, allowing for easier management on existing systems. Moving to our next slide is benefits of virtualization in cloud computing. Explore how virtualization enhances efficiency and flexibility in cloud environments. Cost efficiency. It is one of the major benefit which comes under it, that reduces hardware cost by maximizing resource utilization. Second point is scalability. Easily scales resources up or down based on demand. Third one is flexibility. Supports diverse operating systems and applications on the same hardware. Isolation ensures secure and isolated environments for different workloads. And the fifth one is disaster recovery. Simplifies backup and recovery. Moving to our next page is virtualization versus containerization, a comparative analysis of virtual machines and containers. So our key features are number one, OS operating system. In virtual machines, each virtual machine has its own operating system. In containers, shares the host operating system. Second one is resource usage. Virtual machines have high resource usages. On the other hand, containers have lower. Boot time in virtual machines it is of minutes. In containers it is of seconds. Isolation in virtual machines it is strong. In containers it is moderate. Operating system. Each virtual machine operates with its own operating system, providing complete separation. Containers share the host operating system, leading to more efficient usages of resources. Resource usages. Virtual machines generally require one more resources due to overheat of multiple operating system. Containers utilizes fewer resources, making them more efficient for cloud applications. So this is all about. The next slide is virtualization uh, infrastructure as a service. Exploring the role of virtualization in infrastructure as a service. Uh, infrastructure as a service utilizes virtualization to provide scalable computing resources over the internet. Leading major providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offers virtual machines, storage, and networking. User empowerment. Users can deploy and manage their own applications, enhancing flexibility. So now looking into virtualization in PaaS, platform as a service. PaaS leverages virtualization for application development, testing and deployment, provides pre-configured environments to simplify infrastructure management. Example providers, notable examples include Google App Engine and Microsoft Azure App. Moving to our next slide is security in virtualized environments. Key considerations for securing virtual machines in cloud computing. Number one is isolation. Ensuring virtual machines are isolated to prevent cross virtual machine attacks. Second one is access control. Implementing strict access controls and monitoring. Third one is patch management. Regularly updating and patching hypervisors and virtual machines. Encryptions, using encryptions to protect data in transit and at rest. Moving to our next point is performance considerations. Key factors affecting virtualization performance in cloud environments. Number one is resource allocation. Properly allocating CPU, memory, and input-output resources to enhance performance. Load balancing. Distributing workloads evenly across virtual machines to prevent bottlenecks. Third one is monitoring. Continuously monitoring performance metrics to identify and rectify issues proactively. And the last one is optimization. Tuning hypervisors and virtual machine settings for optimal performance outcomes. Case study VMware ESXi. Exploring key features in virtualization technology vMotion. Live migration of virtual machines without downtime ensures continuous availability. DRS Dynamic Resource Scheduling, which stands for Optimizing Load Balancing across virtual machines for efficient resource use. High availability. Automated failover capabilities protect against hardware failures, ensuring operational continuity. Moving to our next slide is future trends in virtualization. Exploring advancements and innovations in virtualization technology. Number one, edge computing. Extending virtualization to the edge for low latency applications. Enhance responsiveness and performance. Serverless computing. Serverless computing further abstracts infrastructure management, allowing developers to focus on code without managing servers. Third one is artificial intelligence and machine learning integration. Integrating AI and machine learning enhances virtualization management, automating processes, and improving efficiency. Fourth one is enhanced security. Developing more robust security measures for virtual environment is critical. Moving to our next slide is challenges in virtualization. Understanding the key issues impacting cloud computing. So our first point is resource contention. Competition for resources among virtual machines can lead to degraded performance and inefficiency. Second one is complex management. Managing a large number of virtual machines can be complex, requiring sophisticated tools and processes for efficient oversight. Our third point is security risk. Potential vulnerabilities in hypervisors can explore the entire virtualized environment to security threats. Fourth point is performance overhead. Additional overhead introduced by the hypervisors can impact the overall performance of applications running on virtual machines. That's it. Next point of discussion is deployment strategies. Key approaches for effective virtualization in cloud environments. Number one is capacity planning, ensuring adequate resources for expected workloads to optimize performance. Number second is automation, using automation tools to efficiently manage virtual machines and resources, reducing manual effort. Number third is backup and recovery, implementing robust backup and disaster recovery plans to safeguard data integrity. Number fourth is regular audits, conducting regular audits to ensure compliance and efficiency. So now coming to the conclusion and key takeaways, key insights on virtualization types, benefits and security in cloud computing. Understanding virtual types, different types serves different purposes, impacting deployment and performance. Benefits and challenges. Weighing the pros and cons of virtualization is crucial for effective implementation. Security and performance, implementing best practices ensure secure and efficient environments in cloud services. Unlock the potential of virtualization. Transform your cloud security with advanced virtualization technologies. Thank you. That's it.